Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to screenshot Amazon Prime Video in Google Chrome. If you've ever tried to capture a scene from your favorite show only to end up with a frustrating black screen, this tutorial will solve that problem by working around the DRM protection that typically blocks screenshots. To start, open your web browser and look toward the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see three dotted lines, which is the Chrome menu icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page where you can customize various features and preferences. Once you're in the settings menu, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here you'll find several categories for different types of settings. Click on System to access hardware-related configurations. This section controls how Chrome uses your computer's resources and is where we'll make a crucial adjustment. In the system settings, look for an option labeled Use Graphics Acceleration when available. This feature normally helps Chrome run more smoothly by using your graphics card, but it's also what prevents screenshots from working on protected content like Prime Video. Toggle this setting off, you'll notice that Chrome will prompt you to restart for the changes to take effect. Click the Relaunch button that appears. Don't worry, Chrome will restore all your open tabs after it restarts, so you won't lose your place. This restart is necessary for the new settings to properly apply and allow you to bypass the screenshot restriction. After Chrome relaunches, add a new tab and navigate to your Prime Video. Sign in if you haven't already and select the video you want to screenshot. Although I can't play a video right now since I'm not subscribed to Prime Video, I'll walk you through the remaining steps so you know exactly what to do. When your video is playing, pause it at the exact frame you want to capture. For the best quality screenshot, switch to full screen mode before pausing. This ensures you get a clean capture without any browser interface elements. Now comes the actual screenshot process. If you're on Windows, press Ctrl+Shift+4 to activate the screenshot tool, or you can simply press the print button on your keyboard. For Mac users, press Command+Shift+4 instead. This will allow you to select the specific area you want to capture. Click and drag to select the portion of the screen you want, then release your mouse button. The screenshot will be captured instantly and saved to your device. This method works reliably as verified in recent guides, successfully avoiding the black screen issue caused by DRM protection. Your screenshot automatically saves to your default images folder, making it easy to find and use later. And that's it. You've successfully captured a screenshot from Amazon Prime Video without encountering any black screen issues. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.